everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carol. Today I have an exciting recipe to share with you guys, and if you're a vegan food lover, this is the video for you. In today's video we are going to make some vegan loaf, and the recipe is from ta-da! Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook by Claudia, and this is the recipe that we're going to make today. The book calls it Keto and Vegan Loaf Bread. So if you're looking for a vegan loaf recipe, if you're looking for a keto recipe for a loaf, this is the video for you. Number one, no eggs. No eggs in this bread. No eggs. Let me read for you something small what the book says. Making keto bread using many eggs is quite easy, but a keto bread that is also vegan is quite the challenge. Hey! This particular bread holds the shape very well. While it looks dense, it has a light bite. It is also moist, and it will not dry out easily. So guys, that's what the book says about this particular recipe. So let's try out the recipe so that we can have our own verdict. So welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with. This is a very simple recipe. What you're going to do is just mix the dry and the wet and you bake your bread. So let's see. We are going to start with the dry ingredients. This is some almond flour. This is some tiger nut flour. This is some coconut flour. And over here, guys, I have some basil seeds. This is the first time I'll eat something with basil seeds. I have some black cumin seeds. I have some xanthan gum. I have some salt, and I have some baking powder. On this plate, I have some hemp seeds. I have some psyllium husk. I have some hazelnut flour. And then this is some flaxseed. The first thing that you're going to do, we are going to mix all our dry ingredients in this one bowl. Like I told you, it's a very simple recipe. So let me put them here, and then I will show you the wets that we shall use today. It. Let's mix a bit. Now to our wet ingredients. We're going to use some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, and then we'll put water. So I'll start with the olive oil, the apple cider, and then some hot water. Then mix everything. I think I'll use my hands now. The book says that you knead it gently until you get a dough. I think this is fine. Yep, this is okay. This is a dough. We are going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we are going to put it in our loaf tin and then we bake. So we are back. So we put our dough here into our loaf tin. You need to shape it into a log the size of your loaf tin. Everything is falling apart over here, my people. But we are hopeful. Okay. Things are falling apart. Oh, I'll press it inside here. Are we hopeful? I don't know. Hey. Please, breads, come out nicely. feels a bit dry. So now there it is, guys. We're going to bake it for 1 hour. 1 hour. Then we will be back to check our vegan loaf. So guys, our vegan loaf is ready. It's out of the oven and it has cooled. So let's taste. There it is. As you can see, I've sliced. So time to taste. Wakati wa msema kweli. It smells really nice. Really, really nice. And you can see the cumin, the black cumin seeds. You can see the basil seeds. I'm assuming all the black seeds are cumin and the basil. So let's test it. Mm. So guys, this vegan loaf does not disappoint. It's really nice and I love the taste. The book says that the black cumin seeds and the basil seeds are optional. Because it says, what does it say? Let me read that part. It says that the black cumin seeds give the bread a special flavor, but if you don't like this taste, you can leave them out. And the basil seeds can be skipped if you can't find them. So, I love the flavor. If the flavor I'm tasting is the flavor of the black cumin seeds, I love the flavor of the black cumin seeds. I've never tasted basil seeds, so I don't know if they have taste. The basil seeds are optional if you can't find them, but I like the taste that is in the bread already. It just tastes nice. And something else, guys, that I saw, it says you can freeze the bread and then you can thaw it naturally or use a toaster or a sandwich maker. So this is something that you can make for meal prep of the week, and once you need it, you just remove the slice that you want and then you prepare it. This is really nice. Wow, our first video for 2024, and we enjoyed the recipe. So that's it for today. Don't forget, guys, we are cooking from this book, Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook, and buy the book and get the exact measurements for the recipes, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye and God bless.